everybody, so I got a quick knife haul, tool haul that I got from Ace, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some knives just because I thought they were cool looking, and I collect knives. And I got these from Ace Hardware in Casa Grande. They're all different. Red River knife. This is this guy right here. And I love the red. And it's got oil on it. Just thought it was a really nice knife. It has a nice texture. It's really heavy. It's extremely sharp. Yeah, it's definitely got oil all over it. I think it was like 58 bucks for all 4 of these knives. 2 of them were $11.99 and 2 of them were $14. This one, I'm not really sure which one this one is. The Mesa, I think this one's the Mesa Verde knife. This one's actually really light. The handle's light, but I like the blade. It's really sharp as well. Super, super light though. And I'm just going to put these on my collector's shelf. I'm not going to be, probably not going to be using them. I could use them if I need be. It says Master USA on this guy. Stainless steel. Made in China. It doesn't say what kind of stainless steel. I believe they all have pocket clips. This one has the finger flipper on the back. This guy I thought was nice. These 2 knives are actually both different. This one's also heavy. It's not as heavy as the red one, but it is really heavy. This one also has the finger flipper on the back. It probably needs to be loosened or just worked. This one has serrations as well as I believe would be known as a clip point. I don't know much about knives. I do know that oh, that's neat. Close up right here when I move it. It's like maybe it's wire, spring loaded, not sure. I only see it on that side. They definitely do move. It does not lock automatically. You have to kind of pull it down. But I do like the blade on this one. It is pretty nice. It doesn't just have the finger flipper on the back. You can also use the front if you wanted to. It's a nice knife. It's decently weighted. It's got a seatbelt cutter in the back. This guy is orange as well, but the handle is actually textured. And this one has a different blade style. This one does not have a back finger flipper. It only has the one for the front. This one says Wartech on it. This one also is serrated, but it comes to a straight point, and it's kind of got a little belly to it. Just a little knife haul that I picked up from Ace Hardware in Casa Grande. It's, you know, they're nice little knives. I just like collecting knives. I figured, you know, if I ever need to use them, I can use them. I think my favorite has got to be this one and this one though, and the red one. I'm going to put these back in the baggie. And I'll just... Tactical Rescue Outdoor Ramrod. This one's called Ramrod. This one over here is called Redneck. This one is called the Mesa Verde, and this one is called the Red River. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.